on the sides of the cell. The loose electrons are drawn to the positive side, creating a flow of electricity. This flow is essentially a direct current, DC, of electricity, which can be harnessed and used. This direct current, DC electricity, can then be converted into alternating current, AC electricity, which is what powers our homes and businesses. The conversion is done using an inverter, a crucial component in solar power systems. Once converted, this electricity can be used to run everything from lights to refrigerators, making solar energy a practical and sustainable power source. Section 4. Environmental Champion. Solar energy's green credentials. One of the best things about solar energy is that it's a clean and renewable resource. Solar panels harness the power of the sun, converting sunlight into electricity without emitting any pollutants. This process is not only efficient, but also incredibly beneficial for the environment. Unlike fossil fuels, solar panels don't produce harmful greenhouse gases or air pollution. This means that by using solar energy, we can significantly reduce our carbon footprint and help mitigate the effects of global warming. The contrast between solar energy and traditional energy sources, like coal, is stark. While coal plants emit tons of CO2, solar panels remain clean and green. This makes them a key player in the fight against climate change. By integrating solar energy into our power grids, we can move towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Solar panels can be installed in various settings, from urban rooftops to rural fields, making them versatile and adaptable to different environments. Solar energy also reduces our dependence on fossil fuels. As fossil fuel reserves dwindle and become more difficult to extract, the importance of renewable energy sources like solar becomes even more apparent. By investing in solar technology, we can ensure a stable and secure energy supply for future generations. It's a sustainable energy source that will be around for billions of years. The sun rises every day, providing a consistent and reliable source of energy. Unlike finite resources such as oil and coal, solar energy is virtually limitless. The sun is a giant fusion reactor in space, constantly producing energy. This energy can be harnessed and utilized to power our homes, businesses, and even entire cities. By tapping into this abundant resource, we can pave the way for a cleaner, greener, and more sustainable future. Section 5. Solar in action, powering our world. Solar panels are popping up everywhere, from rooftops to vast solar farms. Homes and businesses are using solar panels to generate their own electricity, reducing their energy bills and carbon footprint. Solar farms are large-scale installations that produce clean energy for entire communities. Solar energy is even being used in space. Solar panels power satellites and the International Space Station, proving that the possibilities of solar energy are truly out of this world.